Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Gerber Prybrid, P-R-Y-B-R-I-D, which I'm assuming is a clever play on hybrid, the Prybrid Utility Multi-Tool. And let's take a look. Ooh, that's a strike against it already. It has a bottle opener. So, exchangeable parts. I'm assuming that's the blades you swap out. Well, you know, heaven forbid some tool not have a bottle opener on it. As the name suggests, the Prybrid Utility is a hybrid tool blending the best of replaceable utility knife and compact multi-tool, plus the inexplicable addition of a bottle opener. Eliminating the need for a sheath, this tool is meant to be carried in pocket, offering immediate access to 8 tools. Okay, I'm kind of curious about. It would make me moderately, I don't know, it make me a little nervous carrying a utility knife like that. But, alright, so let's see the tools it's supposed to have. Superduper bottle opener, Prybar, flathead screwdriver, nail puller, small screwdriver. I feel like the small flat driver and the large flat driver, that's kind of a cop-out. Wire stripper, that's like not even as good as the wire stripper on the Swiss Army knife. Lanyard hole, G10 scales, green, slide lock. I like that. The cord cut notch, where you can just slice a cord without having to take it out of the package. Full size utility blade. Alright, so I was worried we wouldn't have our bottle opener. Alright, so let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Alright. Maybe we'll open up and take a look at it. Alright. I think we almost got it. Almost got it. Not quite. Hopefully soon. You know, one of these videos, I'm going to have a white glove covered in red, and I managed to cut myself super nicely. Alright, so what's this? Gerber, Portland, Oregon. Yeah. Does that mean... oh well. I was like, does that mean it's made in the United States? Nope. Made in China. Oh well. Still. Where's the chance? Oh wow, okay. This thing feels pretty solid. So you got your bottle opener. You got your little pry bar with the nail remover or nail puller. Lanyard hole. I do think these are cop-outs right here. I don't really think that... I think if you're in a situation where you're pulling nails and that kind of thing, you're just going to have a screwdriver. Or you're going to have something where you aren't going to have to use a makeshift screwdriver. So, it's not bad. My only concern would be, I feel like this... like the prybar part and the stupid hook for the bottle opener would get caught on things in your pocket a little bit. Well, one thing I was curious about, so you can use your cord cutter notch with it closed, which was what I was interested in, and slides out like so, and looks like you just kind of pop the blade out and put in a new one. Isn't too bad. So I mean, it's a very much. It looks like it also looks like it's a standard blade size. Yeah. So press in, slide. It's okay. This runs about $25, and I don't know. I think if you needed a utility knife, this is okay. but I don't necessarily see why you wouldn't just go, like why a cheap utility knife wouldn't be just as good or better. I don't see this. This seems pretty safe, where you wouldn't be able to easily cut yourself with it. And no, I mean it'll cut. Oh, that's more of a rip, but it cut initially, as you can probably see. Can you see from the side? I mean, that's a utility knife blade, so it's pretty sharp. You gotta press down here and slide it, and then press and slide. And pretty much normal utility knife functionality. I don't know. I feel like for 25 bucks you want something a little better. Or, you know, you just get a box full of normal utility knives and throw them away when you're done with them. Have any of y'all tried this? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is there some kind of thing or trick that makes you happier with it or not happy with it? Let me know in the comments. I'll include links in the description, or a link in the description if you want to check this out. I don't know. I feel like if you're going to carry a utility knife and you're willing to spend like 25 bucks on it, I feel like you can come up with that. There are neater products out there for this. Yeah. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.